Welcome back, my lovely viewers, and we're gonna start up playing the very first video game I ever played, Ape Escape. This was one of the first games to use the DualShock analog controller too, and growing up we didn't have a lot of games, so when my parents came home one day with this, I was like, whoa, let's try this out. So, let's go right in and get the story.
Hey, Spike, did the professor finish the time station yet? Are we gonna get to go back in time?
He said he'd be finished with it today. Let's go.
I can't wait to check out the dinosaurs. And what about the future?
Yeah, we'll keep talking because I'm going first.
That's not fair. Hey,
You
wait
know,
up.
we better hurry up. I'll see you there. Hey, Professor!
Spike, Jake, over here, watch out.
Spike, the time station!
No, run you two. It works. It actually works. We did it, Natalie. We did it. The time station is complete.
We don't have time for celebrating. We've got to do something.
Spike, can you hear me? You must listen carefully. Something awful has happened. There's been an accident. The time station has been activated by Spectre and you're being transported back in time. You'll soon arrive in the lost land when dinosaurs roam the Earth. Spectre has sent the apes back in time to try to change the course of history. His plans for world domination have begun. And if we don't stop the apes, history will be changed forever. You're our only chance. Two of my gadget inventions, the Stun Club and the Time Net, were also caught in the transport. I want you to use them to catch the apes and send them back here. The Stun Club can be used to defend yourself against attackers. And when you use it on the apes, they'll be stunned. And you'll have an extra second to catch them with the Time Net. There isn't time for any monkey business, Spike. Our fate is in your hands. We're depending on you. Be careful.
So after that little bit of exposition, we see an evil monkey leader named Spectre has taken over the professor's time station, sent us and a whole bunch of other apes to the past to rewrite history. Why though? Either way, this game has a really unique control scheme. Control the camera with the D-pad, control yourself with the left stick, and all the weapons you pick up are controlled with the right. It's kinda nifty, and it's something that you don't see a lot these days, usually it's just assigned to a button. So it's unique in that regard. Tilt the right stick and swing the Stun Club in any direction. Beat the enemies by swinging and turning the Stun Club around. You can also make the monkeys fall down. Press the R1 button to jump. Swing the Stun Club with the right stick. Jump with the R1 button. Good luck. Yeah, I just explained that, thanks. So here we are in the very first level. I think it's Fossil Fields. I believe it's Fossil Fields because this dinosaur here apparently just walked off the edge of the cliff. He gone died. Use a Stun Club there. defeat the enemies and grab what they're holding. So we got our first monkey. See there, they throw down bananas. You run into that while you're chasing them, you slip and fall. The round cookies. Wait, yeah. The round cookies up to your left show your health, but they're not there, because I'm in the way. When you've tossed all your cookies, your mission ends. Yeah, I do like that too, the health bar being cookies. Makes sense since Spike's supposed to be a young kid. Switch the gadgets you're holding with the circle, X, triangle, and square buttons. Switch to the time net and catch the monkeys. The time net is swung by tilting or turning the stick. You can swing the time net in circles too. Or more importantly, you can spin the lightsaber in circles and create a little shield. Alright, you're the first monkey. You ran off right away. Come here. Only one more monkey to catch. However, when we saw the levels opening, I believe, there it is, there's a Spectre coin at the top of the tree. You'll have to collect them for something later. But for the time being, you should just focus on collecting. We'll go over what you get out of them later. Alright. Climb up this little cliff. I guess they got here in a rocket ship in addition to being sent back in time. I don't know, time travel makes weird. Maybe they went to a different date, traveled back in time, and then sent the rocket here. Who knows?
Yes!
Also kind of convenient that the butterfly net that can send things forward in time got sent back with us. It'd be kind of a bad thing if we only had the lightsaber. Or my bad, stun club.
You did great.
Excellent, you did great! Welcome to the time station. Everything here will help you with your mission. This room is the warp room. In front of you, the round switch will take you to the stage select area. Behind you, the red switch will take you to the load save data area. Be sure to read all the mailbox messages and learn from them. Red mailboxes will activate as soon as you get close to them. Blue mailboxes you have to whack with a weapon to get them to tell you what's what. So, look at there, there's counters for the Spectre coins. That sounds important. Either way, we'll jump onto the button and go to the next time zone. So we are in the Lost Lands, and we were at Fossil Fields. We'll jump forward a little bit to the Primordial Ooze.
Look what I've got, a new gadget.
Check it out!
This is the water net. Use it when you're underwater. I equipped it with an oxygen meter. I'm sending the new gadget over to you right now. Try it out in the training room. Without training, it will be too dangerous for you to continue on to the next area. Well, good luck and be careful.
Really, I don't get what that, like, is it supposed to help me swim? Could I not swim before this?
I'm going for it!
The water net appears when you're in the water. Swim around using the left stick. Exit the water by jumping near the surface. Use the jump button to jump. To speed up, press the R1 button while swimming or resurfacing. The faster the swim, the faster you win. Oh. Could you imagine if you had not gotten this weapon and it's like, oh no, I can't complete the game now, I'm stuck at this level. The second level of all places. The sign on the left shows how the left and right sticks can be pushed in like a button. To dive down, press the left stick. Stop pressing the left stick and you'll swim back towards the surface for air. Push the left stick in to dive, tilt it away from you to go forwards. Swim through the waterway under the waterfall. You should never not be swimming fast. Since you do have an oxygen meter, it's like, oh, speed, speed, speed. And it doesn't deplete any quicker the slower you go. Press the right stick in to launch the net. Use it to catch the monkeys in the water. There's a monkey in the pool. Catch him by pushing the right stick in, and the exit will open. Try it! If there's a monkey in the pool, shouldn't everybody get out? Gotcha! Can I just take this above water and use it to launch nets at the monkeys? I feel like it'd be easier than chasing with a butterfly net.
You passed! Don't forget that you can swim fast by pressing the jump button.
You can use the water net anytime in the water. Have fun! Forget saving the world, just have fun with it, you know? Four monkeys. Went from 3 to 4. Those are some pretty big gains.
I'm going for it.
Hey, you can dive by pushing the stick in, but watch your oxygen.
You'll drown. Whoa, you'll drown. That's kind of dark. Go up to the surface when you need to get air. And of course, swim quickly at the jump button. Let's just keep repeating what we're saying. Come here, you. Ah. And we'll come back to you. Nessie! They all said you didn't exist, but I believed them. Quit trying to drown me, Nessie. Cut your neck off. Look, two monkeys right behind each other. But more importantly, Nessie is useful for getting this little guy up on the cliff. Yeah. Probably didn't need to beat you up, but you know, can't be too safe. Just blind firing. Another one. Sheesh, you can almost complete this level before you even get out of the starting pool. Alright, let's actually explore this place. See what it all has to offer. What? Get out of here. Freaky frog rockets. Yeah. Gotcha, that's all.
Yes!
Ooh, old puffy cheeks guy.
You did great!
Back into the time-space continuum. Well, it does look like we're going to a super cool, awesome place. We're gonna head back to Primordial Ooze. Even though the main theme of the game is that you can't catch all the monkeys until you get a new gadget, so you're supposed to come back later, you can 100% this level right away.
Let's go!
But more importantly, underwater, I completely forgot. There's a Spectre coin right underneath the starting island. There we go. Let's get back onto land. I mean, if this is really Primordial Ooze, we shouldn't be getting our DNA in there anyways. We're gonna mess with time.
If you jump up a tree, you can climb up and down using the left stick. You're not afraid of heights, right?
Have you tried the two-step jump? Press the jump button, then do a two-step jump by pressing the jump button again.
With the two-step jump, you'll reach higher places. Oh.
They call it the two-step jump, but it's like, why didn't they just call it the double jump? Boom. Ugh. Does remind me of that very first mailbox in the game's like, oh, you knock the monkeys down. You're not stunning them or beating them senseless with a light laser weapon. I don't think I can double jump that high. Quit gawking. Kill you. Kill you. Collect your little chips that you drop. Don't know what kind of chips they are, but they look delicious.
You can take cover by pressing the left stick in. This way you can crawl to the monkeys without being noticed. You can swim the time net with the right stick while under cover. Sneak up on monkeys.
So yeah, you can do this. You mute a channel of the music, and the monkeys can't see you as well. I guess you're supposed to catch this one that way, but he jumped into the water pretty early on, so we caught him that way. Let's go through this little tunnel over here now. We saw it when we were here the first time. Yeah. Nope. There we go. I just can't leave one behind, you know? It's there. It's taunting me. I wonder if this is the way we're supposed to go. Haha, easy peasy. That's the whole level 100%ed.
You did it!
What's he doing? Oh, he's just walking. Is he gonna come over here and do something cool? No, doesn't look like it. Well, we've 100%ed an area already. Before we go into the final zone of the Lost Eras, I think we'll call this episode good. When we come in next time, we'll be tackling the lava fields. So until then, you guys stay beautiful.